No. It's like a snowy storm right now in Toronto. All cars are not moving. All the cars are cannot move right now because as you can see, very windy, very cold, and we are very lucky because we don't have work. We are on vacation, but some people are still walking on the street. Wow, it's snowing, and Toronto is on warning because of that weather. If it is very windy, you can feel the coldness. It's okay, but it's okay the snow to fall, but without the wind is you cannot feel the cold. But if it is very windy, wow, it's better to stay home. Be safe, people. A lot of snow right now. See? That's why all the cars on the road, they cannot move. I can hear the people, they said, oh my god, what happened? Because it's cold. And then how can they move if the snow is like I think it's more than 5 centimeters already. All the wheels are stuck on the snow, so they cannot move because the track, like the snow shovel or snow flowing, they cannot come right now because there's a lot of car. Wow. I'm here on our terrace. See, it's the snow. Right now, it's better to stay home. That's the sky. Some people are shoveling so that they can move. But see, they are shoveling right now on their car. I think if they want to stay home. It's been a long time here in Canada that it's not happened like this. Too much. Very windy. Oh no! any appointment, if you are living here in Toronto, it's better to call it and cancel and reschedule the next day. But not today. Don't go out. Please stay safe and stay home. See, they are not moving. Oh, look at that other car. It's trying to move. But look what happened on the wheels. It's only stay there. Look. Stay safe and better to stay home. It's trying to move again, but look at the road. Bye everyone.